Good morning, students. Now, in the today's period, we can study the another bit of our syllabus that is called as the biopatent. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की अनेक शास्त्रज्ञ अनेक प्रकारचे शोध लावतात. म्हणून या शोधांच्यासाठी जे मानवाच्या कल्याणकारी असणारे जे काही शोध आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी शोध लावणाऱ्या व्यक्तीला सरकार एक परवानगी देतं. त्या परवानगीच्या आधारे ते शास्त्रज्ञ किंवा ज्यांनी हा शोध लावलेला आहे असे माणसं त्याचे मालक असतात आणि त्याच्यापासून मिळणाऱ्या फायद्याचेही ते मालक असतात आणि त्याला बायोपेटंट असं म्हणतात. कायद्याच्या दृष्टीनं हा त्यांना दिलेला एक अधिकार असतो. सो बायोपेटंट इट इज अ स्पेशल राईट granted to the inventor by the government. So government is giving permission or it is granting the permission, special right to the inventor. It is given by the government. Patent is the personal property of inventor. जो शोध लावतो शास्त्रज्ञ किंवा एखादा माणूस दॅट इज दी पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी आहे. That is, patent is the personal property of the inventor. It can be sold like any other property. जर एखाद्या शोधकर्त्याला ती प्रॉपर्टी जर विकायची अशी इच्छा असेल तर ते आपल्या मनाप्रमाणे ती प्रॉपर्टी विकू शकतात. सो पेटंट इज अ स्पेशल राईट ग्रँटेड टू द इन्व्हेंटर बाय द गव्हर्मेंट अँड इट इज द पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी अँड इट कॅन बी सोल्ड लाईक अदर प्रॉपर्टी ऑल्सो. So patent consists of three parts. There are three steps we can say, or the parts. Number one, it is the grant. It is the agreement with the inventor who make any invention. That is the agreement with the inventor. That is the first process. That is called as the grant. Second is called as specification. Means subject matter of the innovation. Our first step toward the grant, that is for the patent is grant, that is the agreement with the inventor. Second one is specification, means that is subject matter of the innovation. And third one is the claim, that is the scope of invention to be protected. The scope of invention to be protected. So these are the three steps, or we can say the parts of the patent. One is grant, second is specification, and third one is called as the claim. So that is these are the lines related with the patent. So biopatent is a biological patent. No doubt it is given to the innovations or discoveries which are related to the biology. It is awarded by the strains of microorganism for whom the patent is given. It is given for the strain of microorganism, cell line, genetically modified lines, biotechnological processes, product and product application. So these are the different types of lines in which patent is given. So we are here in the important topic that is called as the biopatent. So biopatent, it is the special type of right granted to the innovator by the government. So it is the personal property of the inventor and it can be sold like the other property also. Here patent consists of three parts. Number one is grant, number second is specification, and third one is called as the claim. And here biopatent is the biological patent. And what it consists of? It is awarded for the visiting strains of microorganism, then the cell lines, then the genetically modified lines, biotechnological processes, product and product applications. So for these different purposes, here biological patent is given. And we know that here the patents are awarded to DNA sequences also. If there are modifications in the DNA sequence, the patents are given. Biopatents are awarded to the real, innovative or the contribution made by the inventor to cause of human welfare. So any type of research when an inventor makes and when he applies for the patent is granted to him. It must be useful for the human welfare. And we know that the awards are given to include encouragement and the values in developing cultures and to know the role of biology for the human society. So here certain aims, that is, it should be given to the person who can make the invention. So it is for the encouragement and values in developing cultures to know the role of biology in the human society. So what are the roles? It is given for the, no doubt, for the encouragement of the inventor also, as well as to get money to the inventor also. And here the Indian patent allows processes patent and not the product patent. The Indian patents allows process patents and not the product patents. Biopatents allows patent holder. So what biopatent goes to patent holder? The biopatent allows patent holder to exclude other for making. दुसऱ्यांनी तशा प्रकारे बनवू नये, यूजिंग त्याचा वापर करू नये, सेलिंग त्याची विक्री करू नये, और इम्प्रूविंग द प्रॉडक्ट इन्व्हेन्शन फॉर लिमिटेड पिरियड ऑफ टाइम. एका दिलेल्या कालावधीसाठी त्यांनी वापरलेल्या, पेटेंट होल्डरनी वापरलेल्या ज्या काही गोष्टी आहेत ते कोणी तयार करू नये, त्याचा वापर करू नये, त्याची विक्री करू नये, त्याच्यामध्ये एका लिमिटेड कालावधीसाठी त्यामध्ये दुरुस्ती करू नये. हे त्या बायोपॅटंटचे काही महत्त्वाचे उद्देश आहेत. ड्युरेशन ऑफ पॅटंट इज 5 years. It is given how much is the duration? It is 5 years, or from the date of grant or the submission of the application up to 7 years, or from the date of filling of the application, whichever is less, that is the duration or time period of the patent. And first biopatent was awarded to genetically engineered bacterium, Pseudomonas. So we know that there are different Pseudomonas bacteria are present. So here first biopatent was awarded to genetically engineered bacterium, that is the Pseudomonas. So we know that Pseudomonas are used for cleaning the oil spills. Patent under the title, which was the title Control of Plant and Gene Expression. That was the heading, Control of Plants and Gene Expression. The Pseudomonas, where it was the patent granted for the clearing of spills, the title was Control of Plants Gene Expression, was issued jointly to the Delta. Here are some contributors to the Delta and Pine Land Company and US Department of Agriculture. So this was the first patent who was granted for the Pseudomonas bacterium. This is the genetically modified bacterium or engineered bacterium, and the patent is based on gene that produces a protein toxic to the plant which cannot allows seed to germinate. बिया पेरल्याच्या नंतर त्या उगवण्यासाठी प्रोहिबिट करणारा टॉक्सिक सबस्टन्स या जीनच्या द्वारे तयार करण्यात येत होतं. And this patent was not granted by the Indian government. This is because financially powerful corporations could acquire monopoly over biotechnological processes. So there are different conditions occurs at the time of grant of the patent also. So this was the first patent given to the Pseudomonas genetically engineered bacterium. So it was prohibiting the germination process because due to cause of the toxic substance produced due to cause of this gene also. So here we know that we are going to study here the biopatent. Biopatent is a special right granted for the inventor by the government Patent is the personal property of the inventor. It can be sold like the other property. Here we know that patent consists of the three parts. First one is the grant, that is the agreement with the inventor. Second is the specification, means the subject matter of the innovation. Then the claims, means the scope of invention to be protected. So what the inventor had made, it can be protected. This is with the help of law. So the patent is given or granted to the inventor by the government. So biopatent is the biological patent. It is awarded to the strains of microorganism, cell lines, genetically modified lines, as well as the biotechnological processes, product and product applications also. Now here we know that the patents are awarded to DNA sequences also. We know that biopatents are awarded to real innovators and the persons who are making contribution which is useful for the human welfare. मानव कल्याणासाठी आवश्यक असणाऱ्या गोष्टींच्यासाठी शासनाकडून पेटंट हे देण्यात येतं. And the awards are given to include the encouragement and the values of developing cultures and to know the role of biology for the human society. Indian patents allows processes patents and not the product patents. So the first biopatent was given to the genetically engineered bacterium, that is the Pseudomonas. There is a time period for the patent also, 5 years or the 7 years from the filling the application for the grant of the patent. So the Pseudomonas is used for clearing oil spills. Patent under the title the control of plant gene expression, and it was issued jointly to the Delta and Finland company and US Department of Agriculture. Now the patent is based on the gene that produces a protein which is toxic to plant, which do not allow to seed to germinate. So here this patent was not granted by the Indian government. This is because financially powerful corporations would acquire monopoly over the biotechnological processes. So the patent is the important thing to the inventor to get its special right. So patent is important because who makes discovery or innovation in the science, that they can get the grant by the government. Thank you.